educator. And today I have come up with a video on the animal tissues, how to make the plant diagrams of animal tissues. Most of us are familiar with the plant tissues and have done a good practice of the plant tissues. But rarely someone is actually making the plant diagrams of the animal tissues. So let's start with the animal tissues today. I have first of all on your screen, on the left side, we can see there is a TS of an artery shown. So how to make the TS of an artery in a plant diagram? We can see this is the tunica interna over here, which is crinky in this case. So if we make the tunica interna, it should go like this one. Okay. Then we have a very thick tunica media, which is this one, muscular mainly. And then we have the tunica externa over here. Okay, as I'm writing it, making the drawings on the screen, my lines may be sometimes wavy and the broken lines. So you have to take proper care that the broken lines should not be there. So this is the TS of an artery. Moving to the next part of it, I have a slide here which shows the TS of a vein and an artery is also over there. As we have already done the artery, let's make the TS of a vein. You can see that the vein has a very broad lumen or wide lumen. So this is the lumen of the vein, as I can see the shape over here. Then we have thin tunica media, not as thick as we saw it in the artery. And then there is the tunica externa. When making the plant diagrams, you have to always make sure of the proportion of the different tissues that is being shown in the slide. So we have to make our diagrams as per that proportion. Now moving on to the next one, which is the yeah. Here we have the TS of a trachea. So how can we do the TS of a trachea? It has the lumen over here. Then there is a C-shaped cartilage surrounding it. And then we can see the smooth muscle is over here in this part. So this is the TS of a trachea. Now we have a bronchus here. So if we make the TS of a bronchus, let me go over here. We can make this is the lumen of the bronchus. Then we can see the cartilages are spread. So I can see a cartilage over here, scattered cartilages. I can see a cartilage is here. Someone is over here. These are the end. So in case of the bronchus, we don't have the C-shaped cartilage. The cartilages are spread here and there, and then there may be an outer layer like this one. So this is the TS of a bronchus. Moving forward to branchiole. So we have a TS of a branchiole over here. We cannot see any cartilage in a branchiole. So we can see its lumen is like folded like this one in order to increase the surface area. There is a tissue surrounding it over here. And then we have the another tissue over here on the left side, on the outside of it. So this is the TS of a bronchiole. And finally, we have the alveoli over here. We can clearly see in the alveoli that we have, these are the alveoli, and these are the blood vessels. This may be the capillary, the arteries, and the arterioles and the venules. So we can make a diagram like this one. If this is an alveoli, another one on this side, one over here, and we can make a blood vessel is like this one over here, or a longer blood vessel is like this one over here. Okay, that is how we can make the plan diagram of the alveolus. I hope this will be very helpful to all of you in the upcoming exam. Thank you very much.